this one, there's actually 2 separate addresses, but they're supposed to be antiques at it.
Okay.
It started an hour and a half ago. It's supposed
Really?
to started at, well,
Wow, that's early.
It said it started at 8, but I think I got it off like Kijiji, and their times are all messed up.
Oh, yeah.
So
It might not even be open.
if it says it started at 8, I just assume it starts at 9. I wrote down 8, but
It'll be on your side? Yeah.
yeah, 94.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God, those lilacs just smell amazing.
I know, don't they? They super do.
Yeah. This little chair's nice.
Oh, yeah.
More chairs, that's what we need.
No kidding. Lamp.
Oh,
Nice old lamp there.
20 bucks. Oh, it has the original shade. Like this one's just sitting on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think.
Yeah, we should get that, hey?
20.
Okay.
We'll take your lamp here.
Okay, that was my mom's. It's an antique.
It's nice, yeah. It's in really nice shape too.
It is. I've had it for a long time. And we just aren't going to use it. My daughters don't want it.
Can I grab that mirror from you too?
Nice to be mine. But,
Right?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe a little older than I thought it was even then.
Oh, I think it's probably very old.
But it is plastic, so it's
Yeah.
not that old.
No.
I mean, maybe mid-century, 50s.
Yeah, yeah, who knows?
Yeah, it's nice though, for sure. Oh boy. She's already got one.
See, I can't.
Oh
let
my
husband keep him
gosh.
because, you know, he's too
That
old already. He
is
shouldn't
so
have these.
funny.
Oh, that
That one
Especially,
is-
yeah. That little guy, he's the funniest. Yeah.
You gonna keep that one?
I
Sample.
don't even have a price on it.
Oh my gosh, that is
can have
so funny. Oh. Are you sure?
Positive.
Thank
You
you.
want something for it? No.
I think it's great. Okay, so what do we got here?
25?
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This isn't the real, of course. It's just,
No.
Yeah, just sitting on top. That's okay.
that was off.
But the glass is there, and that's
Actually-
often missing.
Our lamps downstairs that we bought when we were first married, these were the original.
Tighten it up.
Yeah, I think it's tight.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Enjoy.
All right.
Buy your house and have a look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah, this is. Somebody will want to pink
Oh, yeah.
that up, I
Yep.
think.
Yeah, as soon as I spotted it there, and then I saw $5 on it, I thought, yeah, that's
It's heavy.
you'll be able to resell that at it for like 20, 30 years, or that it was his mother's or something like that. So
It's probably from
it
the
could be
60s.
mid-century is what I told him. I said, yeah, like
Yeah.
it's not antique, but it definitely could be like older. Yeah.
I can't stop sniffing those lilacs. They
So
smell.
we should probably take the shade off here.
Yeah.
Oh, I know, those lilacs just smell incredible.
Oh, I know. Wish we had.
Oh,
Oh, don't lose that. No.
oh, got to take the bulb out.
Yeah. Oh, it even has the huge bulb.
It does. I know, those lilacs are incredible.
It's nothing.
It smells like summer,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. I wonder if I should take that out too.
I would.
Okay. Just put it in
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah,
The other light bulbs, whatever.
yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Dime a
It's
dozen.
that big one that I don't even know if you can buy the big ones. But I have the converter.
Yeah, you've got the converter anyways to just put a regular light bulb in there.
Yeah. That should be okay, hey? Thank you. Yeah, this is like the one we bought.
Yeah,
Because when I saw that, I was like, oh, and we have the
because we run
shade.
into lamps all the time without shades.
Yeah. Because as soon as you tip it over once, that's it.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Take it off.
Yeah. Oh, I guess I can take this.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
right
yeah,
from
and
the
she
free.
just gave me that.
Okay.
That is so bad. Like,
What?
okay. Take that out of my bag. People are like, what? Why do you have that in there?
What?
That little,
The little dude?
yeah, the little dude.
Yeah.
See if I've got some treasures
I hope so.
you might need.
It's a lovely, turning into a lovely day.
Yeah.
Here's another one of those. I just remember at that last one.
Mm-hmm.
Could have had a pair. That one's sterling. I don't know how much. How much are your rings?
Everything in there is $2 each.
Okay. Oh, this is a spinner.
Oh yeah.
That's from New Zealand.
Oh, wow.
I think that if you put some silver on there,
Polish
it would
it.
be nice.
Yeah.
Would shine more.
Yeah, that's neat, eh?
Yeah. Spinner ring.
Do you like this? This is a painting, a real painting.
Oh, I do. I do like that.
That painting, let me tell you about that painting.
Please.
It belongs to my neighbor. And her dad was Paul Russo. Now, you guys wouldn't know who he was. He was in the government at one time, the Saskatchewan government. And he was sent to be the ambassador or whatever in London. So him and his wife were in London for 5 years or something. And Pauline said, my mom and dad bought this painting. This guy did the painting in Paris, in Montmartre. Up in Montmartre area in Paris, that's where artists
Okay.
hang out. So that is an original.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you take 20 for it? Are you open to offers?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll take that for sure.
I think we'll do that.
Yeah.
Just gonna keep
And
looking
when you
around.
said character home, I'm
Yeah.
glad you were.
And it's an original. We don't
It's an
buy
original.
the prints.
No. That.
Did you see the price, Karen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still want to look at it though.
Okay.
Pat it.
See if it purrs.
Yeah. Isn't that,
That was
nice?
my mother's, and I have got the receipt. Was $4,000 when she bought it.
Isn't
I
that
believe it.
incredible? Do you know
I
what kind of
believe it.
fur it is?
It's called Neutrina.
Because I haven't seen
I'm
this
not
type
familiar
before.
with that.
This I think is fox probably, but isn't that interesting? It's got a super thick glass lid, hey? But I don't think it's that old. Oh, look at this, eh? This is nice. This cart.
The tea cart.
Yeah, it's missing something.
Yeah.
Ooh,
That's yeah.
it's pretty. It's nice though.
I think this.
What's, oh, I see. The support?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
would screw that down to hold
Right.
it tight.
Yeah.
And Lord only knows where the screw is.
Yeah.
That's unfortunate. It's very pretty.
What bad luck.
Oh.
Oh, $5.
Yeah.
Might be a little much.
Yeah, I don't want to pay $5.
Would you pay $5 for the pair?
If you're
Yeah.
interested in those, I'm certainly
Open to offers?
open to offers. You know, when you do something like this, what do you put on it?
Yeah.
What do
I
you put on
know,
it?
yeah.
Give you $2 each box.
Perfect.
Would you do that? A toonie each?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Great.
No, I have to tell you about these.
Yeah.
I grew up with these.
Yes. Yes.
So, like these.
Yeah, we
would
can
have
tell
been
they're old.
Bought in the 60s.
And in their
I'm-
boxes still.
in their
That's so
boxes.
nice.
That's another thing. In Christmas, when we put up our tree, it's all antique ornaments that go on the tree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, so we like the old. We look
Yeah.
out. We search out for the old.
yeah. I would
Glass.
certainly take $2 each.
Okay.
For those. Okay, 246.
And the painting.
Painting.
We said 20.
Did I?
Yeah.
I thought I said 40.
I was gonna say.
I'm just kidding.
Wow.
What happened?
Prices sure went up.
Sneaky Pete over here.
Yeah, that's really
That's
nice.
lovely. Yeah, I like it.
He used to be, the guy who bought that used to be the Minister of Finance with the old PCs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 26, and I'll
Thank
dig you
you.
out some.
Thanks for coming by.
There is $4.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, where did that ring go?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah, that's
what
what I
happened
was
to it?
looking
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, put
Right
it
there.
on.
I got it.
Maybe you better put it on a
Yeah,
finger that fits.
wear it.
That's just liable to fall off.
Okay. Got it. Well, I didn't put it on. Oh, I'll put it on in the truck.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Oh, look at these. Old spurs.
Yeah.
These are pretty cool.
We had an acreage, and I had Arabian horses, and I used to ride
Oh,
and show,
nice.
and I've got all this horse stuff. I need cowboy to come.
Well, you never know.
You're in the right province.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are huge.
Oh, yeah.
Be good
More the real big ones.
Yeah.
For outside.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's where they'd be
They're
perfect.
perfect, yeah.
If you had a big evergreen in your front yard.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you very
Have
much.
a good day.
Yeah. Isn't that nice?
That is so nice.
I know.
Yeah, I really like that.
It looks like he'd have a lot of interesting stories to
Yeah,
tell.
such a weathered face, eh?
Yeah. Yes. And his beard, like the hairs in his beard, looks good. I like it.
Yeah.
I like that this is here.
Yeah, that's the artist.
Yeah.
Cool. Wonder if we can figure out who he is.
I don't know. I wonder if it says on the back of the photo.
It might. There should be a signature on that.
Yeah, there is.
Just a matter of reading it.
We're back in Lilac Town.
Yeah, Lilac Land.
Yeah. Awesome. All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
This one was good.
Yeah, both of those sales were great. Yeah. Nice things. Old lamp
And nice
and that
people.
mirror and then painting. That painting's great.
Yeah. When I first saw it, I was like, oh yeah. So I like them when they're a little bit darker, like the colors in them. Although having said that, I think I have a beach scene, which is super light. But
Nice.
yeah.
You got a spinner.
Or do you want to
Nope.
wear it?
Nope.
Give you something to fiddle with.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. We should put a, oh, I don't know if I have any cards. Put a card under his windshield wiper. No.
Oh.
No, I don't have the yellow card.
Oh, you don't? Oh,
Here.
ah.
Stuck a card under his windshield.
You on Mason yet?
No.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, we cleaned it out. So you're just
Wow.
gonna see the card.
Look at this house.
Oh, he doesn't see the card.
No?
No.
He might not. No.
No, he doesn't see it.
Look at this house.
It's at the bottom of his windshield. Yeah, look at that. Holy smokes, eh?
Isn't that nice?
Wow.
Looks, this side reminds me of Amityville House,
Yes, it totally does.
right? With the little curved windows.
Yeah. Those are awesome windows, though.
Yes. I would live here. It's nice.